प्रादेशीक आराखडो उक्तो करपाचें काम टप्प्याटप्प्यान जातलें. पयल्या टप्प्यान काणकोण, सत्तरी, सांवड्डे, सांगे, केपें ह्या आराखड्यांची दुरुस्ती करपाचें काम जातलें, अशी माहिती उपमुख्यमंत्री ॲडव्होकेट फ्रांसिस डिसूजा हांणी दिल्या. मडगांव एका कार्यावळीत आयिल्ले आसतना ते पत्रकारां कडेन उलयताले. आरडी एक्सपो खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायक.
चालू हा भाई. सत्तरी is ready. Anaconda inspections are over. Reports are coming in. Perne has started. Bisholi has started. Self-correction for all talukas have started. Self-correction में समजतात ना. जे चुकी घडल्यात पळय आरपी आणि जो डिपार्टमेंट को होता आता चुकी हा ते सगळे तालुक्याचे बरोबर करता आम्ही. But releasing will be in phases. Release of RP will be in phases. And Sattari is first on the hit list and it's coming out first. There are minimum objections there. Minimum objections suggestion.
When will this program reach its completion?
I cannot give you a completion date because there are complications in the sense once the code comes, I might be stopped from doing it. I really don't know. It's an administrative issue, but I don't know. People will interfere. There are a lot of people who want to stop it. A lot of people want it to be done. I don't know what will happen basically, but as far as I'm concerned, I'll keep on with the work till it gets over. So, Sattari, Kanakoda, Perne, Bishali will go in the first phase, then Kepe will come in, Sange will come in, and the major big talukas which has got major issues, suggestions, corrections, all those things are Bardes and Salsit will be the last few.